So I've been having an issue here with my RPM gauge. Goes to 0, and my transmission shifts back and forth between 2 gears, and I'm just cruising. So at first I thought it was the kick down was too tight, but then I looked it up, and the E40 E40Ds don't have a kick down cable. They're ooh, wow, that works really good. It's still electronic kick down. So I think this, I'm fairly sure this, so this is my Tach sensor, right? Goes on the timing cover, and it reads as the timing goes around, because there's no distributor. So I'm thinking that this is messed up. So I'm going to take it out of there. I'm just coming over here to see what size this is. Oh, whew, that looks like a big boy. That's like a 15/16 ish, something like that. That's cool. Alright, I will be right back. Yeah, sure, why not? Be a bit of a mobile mechanic. Gotta go slow for these speed bumps. That's cool. I don't really need this today. It's for the Bronco. Let's see here. One inch? Oh, 1 inch. Cool. That's not very tight at all. So my initial plan is to see if I can just clean it. I don't have any brake clean, so I'm going to unplug it here. Hopefully it just comes off. It's got that on both sides. I don't have the... What is this thing? Why is it so in my way? There we go. Alright. Here she is. It doesn't look too bad. This thing right here is really in the way, putting this on. So, I mean, this is solid state. The only thing that can mess up is the connections back here, which it looks like they are messed up. But yeah, that's exactly what's going on. It looks like. Yeah. So that's it right there. It looks like these are supposed to be in there way more than that. But I can get these from AutoZone or wherever. think they're fairly cheap, so I'm gonna look into that tomorrow. It's not a huge deal. It's a little annoying. It's shifting like that. Ooh, that's weird. Is that some sort of grease? Oh, it is. Alright. So, why is this here? Can I take that off? I probably should, huh? It's like super in the way. So, a 1-inch wrench. Where'd you go? I don't know if it was the issue that it was loose or what, but cleaned it up, giving it its best chance. If it don't work, it's probably fucked up. Okay, plug it back in. Ooh. Really? Yeah, it's got to come and go in one way. So, okay, well, I mean, we could test it right now. Let's see if the RPM gauge goes up like it should. If you can see that. There you go. Oh, it's working. Huh. Maybe it was just dirty? My starter is messed up. I'll need to get a new one, I guess. Or I gotta look at it and see. Hopefully the starter is the problem and it didn't mess up my flex plate, but well, that's cool. I guess we'll check it out tomorrow when I drive. So I guess sometimes all it takes is taking the electrical part out and cleaning it, tightening it up, because I was able to twist it when it was just like right there. So hopefully just tightening it up fixes my issue. But yeah, I gotta do something about that starter soon. Alright, thanks for watching.